the next model question of Poisson distribution by the related to the cards. If two cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards which are diamonds, using Poisson distribution, find the probability of getting two diamonds at least 3 times in 51 consecutive trials of two cards drawing each time. So if you observe here, it is given as trials. So this trials related to n. So number of trials or n is equal to 51. So whenever you read the question, you have to check whether n is given or not. Then you can check whether average, mean, those words appear in the question. Now here number of trials or 51 are given. Now a pack of 52 cards. So total 52 cards. How many number of diamonds we have? Those are 13. Out of 52 cards, number of diamonds in a pack are 13. Okay. So in that 13 diamonds, 2 cards should be drawn. So 2 diamonds are drawn from that 13 diamonds. What are the favorable cases arise? 13C2. It's clear? 2 diamonds are drawn from the 13 diamonds. That is the favorable case. Next, if you are drawing 2 diamonds from the 13 diamonds, that 2 diamonds is also drawn from the 52 cards. So that 52 cards are the total number of cards. So in that total number of cards, you will have 13 diamond cards. In that 13 diamond cards, we are selecting 2 diamond cards. So 13C2. So total diamond cards you are selecting 2. That's why this is called as favorable case. So in all 52 cards, also you are selecting 2. That means that is the total number of cases. Is that clear? Right. So if we have the favorable cases and the total number of cases, can we define the probability case? So what is the formula for probability? Number of favorable cases by total number of cases. So what is the favorable cases here? The 2 diamonds are drawn from the 13 diamonds. So that is 13C2 by total number of cases. Those are 52C2. So 13C2 by 52C2. So you will get the probability, that is P value as 3 by 51. So in all these, from that number of cards, diamond cards, we are selected to find the probability of successes. So already we have n value as 50, n value as 51 and the probability of successes as 3 by 51. Then you will get easily the lambda value. Lambda value is n into p. N we have as 51 trials and p value as 3 by 51. So 51 gets cancelled. You will have the mean value 3. By applying Poisson distribution, e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. In that case, lambda value we got as 3 and x value. So what is the question given at the end of the line? Check out. What is the question given? The probability of getting 2 diamonds at least 3 times in 51 consecutive trials of 2 cards drawing each time. That means probability of at least 3 times. This is the case you need to find. So you have to write for the probability of at least 3 times. So you have known about at least. At least means that 3 is the minimum value. At most is given, then 3 will be the maximum. So 3 is minimum means you have to take greater than or equal to 3. Okay. So probability of at least 3 times. That is the question you need to find. So probability of 3 items. Probability of at least 3 times. That is equal to probability of x greater than or equal to 3. 1 minus p of x less than 3. Already you are well known about this explanation. So I am continuing the same. 1 minus p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2. By substituting x values 0, 1, 2, you will have this sum of the terms, and by simplifying these terms you will get 0.57681. Is that clear? Yeah. So whenever the cards are given, you have to find from those cards cases the probability of success and find finally the mean of that distribution. Next model question is probability will be given in the case wise. So if a Poisson distribution is such that p of x is equal to 1 into 3 by 2 is equal to p of x is equal to 3, then find p of x greater than or equal to 1 and p of x less than or equal to 3 and p of 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. So to find these values, first you have to take this condition. So what is the condition given? P of x is equal to 1 into 3 by 2 is equal to p of x is equal to 5. Next, this is p of x is equal to 3. So you know already about how to expand p of x is equal to 1 by using Poisson variate formula or Poisson distribution formula. P of x is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. So in this case you will have x value as 1. So substituting x value 1 in that Poisson formula, you can have this e power minus lambda into lambda by 1 factorial into 3 by 2 is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power 3 by 3 factorial. So both sides you have e power minus lambda as the numerator multiple. So you can cancel both sides. The next you will have the term as 3 lambda by 2 is equal to lambda cube by 6. 3 factorial means 6. 3 2s are 6. The next you are cancelling out both sides. Lambda here lambda cube. So 1 lambda is getting cancelled. You will get lambda square here, and then 2 3s are 6. So 3 is equal to lambda square by 3. So from that cross multiplying, lambda square minus 9 is equal to 0, and that is like a square minus b square. So what is the expansion? A minus b into a plus b, that is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 3 comma minus 3. So finally we are taking lambda value as 3. Why we are taking lambda value as 3? Because lambda should always be positive. So when we were known about the concept that lambda is given as positive, there is no negative value for lambda. So we are selecting here lambda as the positive value. So if you get the lambda value, you can know easily about the probability of x greater than or equal to 1, the first question. So this lambda, if you substitute in this probability of x is equal to x, you will have that e power minus 3 power x by x factorial. Now each question how we can get from that formula substitution. Probability of x greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than 1. So this is the question given in the data. 1 minus p of x less than 1 means only below 1. What is the value for x? 0. So 1 minus p of x is equal to 0, and that is equal to 1 minus e power minus 3 power 0 by 0 factorial. So anything power 0 is always 1, and 0 factorial is also 1. So you will get the answer 0.9502. Next, coming to the second question. Probability of x less than or equal to 3. So x values must be up to 3. So starts with x value 0, 1, 2 and 3. So some of these probability values are from the Poisson distribution formula. You will get the result as 0.647. Next, third one, probability of 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. The combinations from 2 to 5, equality is given. So probability of x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So by substituting that, you will get the final answer as 0.7169.